Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you the best camera settings for iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to use your camera with the better results, let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open up your camera, and here in top left corner you will get this type bar. You just have to simply tap on it. If you want to record videos, so you can easily adjust the quality of video from here. You can see there's a FPS which is 24, 30, 60, and 120. I'm going to select 120 from here, and here's the you have two qualities, which is HD or 4K. If you want to record in better quality, so I recommend you just have to select the 4K quality from here. And once you have selected, you can easily record a better quality video, or you can do more settings from your settings app. So open up your settings. In settings, scroll down and look for camera. Tap on it, and here you will get different settings. Here the first is system setting. You have to tab on it, and here you will get system settings, but I recommend you don't have to change your system settings. So here's the app settings. Simply tab on it, and here you will get photographic style. You can select multiple styles from here, which one you want, or you can customize your style from here. Or here's the second is record video. You just have to select it, and from here you can easily select the your video rate, in which quality you want to record any video, and here you'll get more settings. It's log camera, auto FPS. You can easily select auto FPS if you want. Here's the log white balance. I recommend you have to enable the settings for better results, and here much more, so you can easily make them. And here's the record slow mo. Simply tap on it, and from here you can easily select the quality of your slow mo. And here's the record cinematic, and you can select the quality for your cinematic videos. I'm going to select the 4K at 30 FPS. So here you will get more settings. So you can easily customize the settings in which way you want. So that's how you can easily get better results from your camera app in any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.